Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to the Golfy channel, and this is Golfy. Tonight we'll be doing a reaction video with the Rio Brothers. Okay, so ang kakantahin nila, with the Rio Brothers, ang kakantahin nila ngayon is Money for Nothing by Dire Straits. At sa mga kababayan ko sa buong mundo, mga OFWs, kung saan-saan bansa, nasan kayo man, sana nandun kayo sa magandang kalagayan. At sa mga taga-Pilipinas, mga nasa Pilipinas, sana kayo rin ay nasa magandang kalagayan. Nandito na naman tayo sa ating reaction video with the Rio Brothers. Sana magustuhan ninyo to. Nagkakaroon ako ng medyo technical difficulties kaya hindi ko malaman kung ano nangyayari, but I hope this thing works. They're playing the song by Dire Straits, Money for Nothing. Eto na, let's go.
That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and the chicks for free. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Let me tell you, them guys in town maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your tongue. We got to install microwave oven, custom kitchen delivery. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TV. Say little faggot with the earring and the makeup. Yeah, buddy, daddy's own hair. The little faggot does his own jet plane. The little faggot is a millionaire. We got to install microwave oven, custom kitchen delivery. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TV. Move that, move that. What's that? Hawaiian noses. You're banging on the bongos like the children. He said, oh, that ain't working. That's the way you do it. Found it for nothing and the chicks for free. We got to install microwave oven, custom kitchen delivery. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TV. that's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. Daddy, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and the chicks for free. Money for nothing, the chicks for free. Money for nothing, chicks for free. Look at that, look at that.
Yan ang Rio Brothers. Plakado na naman. Ang galing nila pagdating sa instrumentations at voice, no? At si RJ ang lead vocalist, yan tumitira ng lead vocalist. At nakita ko yung pinakabunso nilang kapatid, si Roy Mark, kumakanta ng second voice. Kumakanta rin pala siya. Tapos si Ray Mart tumutulong sa keyboard. Yan. Yan yung naka-light brown na parang sweater ba yan o long sleeves. Tapos si Ralph naman, yung nasa likod, yung naka-brown, yung naka-yellow na guitar. Tapos si Rino, siya yung naka-red and black na shirt. Siya yung drummer. Okay guys, eto na naman tayo at sana nagustuhan ninyo to. Nagkaroon ako ng technical difficulties. Ang dami kong ginawang reaction video, mukhang walang umayos dahil hindi umaandar yung mic. So, wow. What a waste. But anyway, sana nagustuhan nyo to. Yung mga bagong viewers ko dyan, kung big supporter kayo ng Rio Brothers, sana naman mag-subscribe kayo dito sa channel para matulungan yung spread out itong kanilang itong reaction video na to para sa Rio Brothers. Dahil ang YouTube may hinahantayan na bilang kung gaano karaming nanonood at kung gaano karaming nagsasubscribe bago sila mag-spread out ng video ko. Kung hindi natin ma-meet yung mga numbers na hinahanap nila, wala. Well, konti lang ang nanonood. Kaya malaking bagay po na makatulong po kayo sa pagpakalat ng video na to. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga request, iwan nyo na lang yung yung title ng song at ako nang bahala maghanap para dito sa Rio Brothers. Kaya naman kung meron kayong video link ng particular video na gusto ninyong pa-reaction video, iwan nyo na lang dito sa comment at ako nang maggagawa ng reaction video dyan para sa susunod na session. Okay? Ito na ang end ng reaction video na to. Sana nagustuhan ninyo. Magkita na lang tayo sa susunod na reaction video. For now, please take care of yourself. Mag-ingat ho kayo. Kumakalat na naman ang COVID. At sana nakapag-vaccine na kayo para maiwasan, yung lumalaganap na COVID na yan. Please take care of yourself and be well and God bless. Bye-bye for now. Ciao.